In this video, I'll show you how to create and set up the mods folder in GTA 5 story mode for installing mods easily. Right click on the game and select open file location, and right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name it as mods and press enter. Now select the update and x64, just copy and open the mods folder and paste the both folder inside. Once this done, just close stuff here and check my video description for this script to 5. Just right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open this bin and close stuff here and open the OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, select this ASI manager. Now, install all of these. Once you installed, close stuff here and select the edit mode and select the S option. Select the script hook 5 and then put 8.dll. Drag and drop these both file inside this GTA 5 OpenIV. And now you can install any mods you want. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.